Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a tutorial about how to make a banana and avocado hair mask. This mask is great for moisturizing and repairing damaged hair. All ingredients are natural, so anyone can apply this. First, we're going to need one banana. The riper, the better. Bananas will make your hair more manageable and it will prevent it from breakage. The second ingredient we need is half of an avocado. This will help to deeply moisturize and add glow and body to your hair. The third ingredient we're gonna need is an egg yolk. Egg yolks provide lots of hydration to your hair and promotes healthy hair growth when it's applied directly on the scalp. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of almond oil to add some vitamin E and mix everything together. Make sure to detangle your hair before application so that it's easier to distribute the hair mask. Apply the banana hair mask on the scalp and massage it through your entire hair. Do a 5-minute scalp massage to promote hair growth. Once you're done, cover your hair with a shower cap or with tinfoil. I always love the results that I get when I let this banana hair mask sit on my hair for 40 minutes. Remember, you only need to apply this once a week to moisturize dry hair and scalp. It will also add shine to the opaque hair, repair split ends, and brittle hair. Overall, this hair mask will protect the natural elasticity of your hair. I hope I will see you guys soon. Pura Vida!